And that's me not knowing what anything is anymore. Good boy. You putting the labels in for Dad? Yeah. Good boy. I'm gonna put them in here. Put them in there. Get. Yeah. Good boy. Nope. Where you going now? Hi guys, welcome back. So just thought I'd give you a quick update on the long routes today. So I've managed to get all 4 of these filled up and closed up, and they're all ready for planting. I did 6 on here last year. I'm only going to do 4 on this bit this year. But these gutters are 6.2 metres long and they're a bit awkward to get down, but we managed. So I'm only doing 4 up here, like I said. And as you can see in the top here, these are all filled with some very finely sieved compost, and I've added in probably about 20 litres of vermiculite between them all. They're taking about 25 litres of compost each. So I'll just top the rest of these up before planting, and hopefully we can get to do that at the end of this week or beginning of next week maybe, depending on the weather. So that's 4 of them there, and hopefully we'll get a few more cards from the Malvern Autumn Show this year. Out of the 4 that I entered into last year, 3 of them got placements, so hopefully we can do a bit better this year. But a 3rd and 2/4 for my first attempt, I was very happy with it. But like I said, I'm only doing 4 up there because I'm working on another one down at the bottom of the garden here, and I'm hoping to get 5 or 6 along here. I'm not going to add any more to the gutters. I'm going to keep them at 4 metres. But this is where I've got to so far. Just need to get some more gutters for the tops of them. I've got another 2 to go in here still, and we'll have to build a bit of a box on the top here. But I think this one will be a lot easier to deal with than the other one, because they're at a nice height here now. Easy height just to pick them up, lift them up and take them off. And we'll get some sort of water container in the bottom here and get them all going into that. And we're hoping to have these finished up by the end of the week again, and have them all filled up and ready for planting by then. Obviously they all need a good clean, but they're just in here temporary now so I can get the measurements for the spacings between them. Try and keep all that the same. And I've also been building this on the side of the polytunnel. This is just going to be another raised bed filled with compost, and hopefully I'll be able to get the grape tree in here, have it going into the polytunnel through there and out and grow along there. So hopefully we'll get that planted this year, and I might just throw a load of strawberries and maybe a couple of tomato plants in there. But it's quite big, so it's going to take some filling, but we'll manage. Right then, so I'm going to spend another 20 minutes, half an hour doing a few bits on this, and I'll show you the progress after that. So catch you in a bit. Right then guys, so I think I've gone about as far as I'm going to today. Running out of screws slowly, but none of this has cost anything for me to build. It's all leftover materials, bits of waste, old battens, pallets I've picked up from work. But I've managed to get it so there's 5 in there now. I think I'll stick to that. So that'll give me 9 in total, so that's a pretty good chance. I've started making a frame for a box at the top. Got a piece of polycarb there. Just need to cut that size for the back and try and find a piece to do the top part here. But apart from that, it's about 50% of the way done now. Hopefully I'll get this finished by the end of the week, in what little time I have after work. But also building this has taken up a bit of time as well, but still need to line it all. But I can do that of an evening during the week. That shouldn't take too long. But I want to get this filled and get the grape tree planted up in here, like I was saying, and get it to grow through into there and into the polytunnel, because we've got a nice gap here in between the pallets, so it'll be easy enough to feed it through there. Right then guys, so that's it for this one today, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.